Myra here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new series called Makeup 101, Paano ba mag-eyeshadow, where I'm going to teach you how to put on eyeshadow in the simplest way possible. If you're new to my channel, hello. Welcome po to our little channel. If you're interested with our new series, do consider being part of my family by subscribing to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to make a disclaimer that I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just a makeup enthusiast. And the things that I'm going to share with you are tips and tricks that have worked for me in the past and are based on my experience. So if you happen to want to do your makeup some other way, you are free to do so. When it comes to makeup, there are no hard and fast rules and you can always do you. So with that being said, let's move on to our video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to amp up your eyeshadow game by deepening up your outer V. So let's begin! Ayan, so naka-zoom in kayo para mas makita nyo kung anong gagawin natin sa eyes. So I've already set my eyelids with concealer and I've set it with powder. And naglagay lang ako ng powder underneath my eyes because we will be working with darker shades today. So the first thing that we're going to put on our eyelids is our transition shade. So this is a mid-tone shade that is one step darker than your natural skin color. And for today, I will be using this shade for my transition. And gagamit tayo ng fluffy brush to apply our transition shade. So, ilalagay lang natin yung transition shade natin dito sa ating crease line, crease area. There. As always, for better blending, I use a clean brush to spread the product even more on the edges, just like so. Next is our highlight, and I will be using this shade for our highlight, and I will be applying that using a flat brush. So, ilalagay lang natin siya sa ating mobile lid. You can also start off with the first technique that I taught you in the first video of the series. If you haven't watched that, I will be putting the link up here in the cards and down in the description box. So do check that out. Now that we've already made the contour and highlight for our eyelids, we will now proceed with the darkening of our outer V. So the shade that I'm going to use is this one. Okay, so you can choose a dark shade. Pwedeng browns, pwedeng grays, pwedeng deeper pop of color if you want. And then, ilalagay ko lang siya. So, I'm using a more dense brush. There you go. And then, I am just going to put that. So, I'm gonna close my eyes. And then, dito lang sa outer corner. I'll start with the outer corner of my eye. Just like so. Okay. And then I will drag it inwards about a third of my outer lid. And then with what's left in my brush. I'm going to bring it up into my crease line. Okay, so babalik ako dun sa brush na ginamit natin sa transition shade. And I'm just going to blend the edges of the dark shade into the crease. So, I'm not gonna go higher dun lang sa crease line para lang ma-soften yung line and the edges. Now, I'm not going to blend outwards kasi ayoko siyang kumalat dito. And I want to keep it just inside this line. So, I am blending inwards. So, as you can see, that already made a big change on my eye. So, this eye looks a lot wider, a lot larger than this eye, and more awake. There. If you want to lift your eye even more, you can flick this upwards. Pero dun lang, huwag nang lalabas. To help lift up the eye even more. So I basically did the same thing on this eye with the transition shade and the highlight shade. Now, if you are someone na merong wide set eyes, what is wide set eyes? That is yung gap nyo between the two eyes is medyo wider than usual. What you can do is, instead of putting the contour shade on the outer V, you may want to put the contour shade on your inner V. So what you can do is, again, I'm going to use that brown shade, and then you can put the dark shade right over here. And then up into the crease line. There. So your look will be something like this. Okay? This is for those people na wide set ang eyes. So this is our final look. So as you can see, that little detail at the end, that contour, made our eyes wider, and it actually lifts my eye. See? I hope you guys give this a try and do practice, because when it comes to makeup, talagang practice lang ng practice hanggang magamay mo kung ano yung look that is perfect for your face. Sana meron kayo natutunan sa video natin ngayon. I do hope that you like this video. Do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. Marami pa tayong video na paparating, so abangan nyo yan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye!